never campaigned against Obi. I never did that. It's not like would he do anything? What did he go do me? He can't do me anything. But I felt it has no need, since we are talking about Southern presidency. I never. Within us in our integrity group, we agreed that we must make sure power comes to the South. And in any state where you have control, if Labour Party comes first, APC must come second. If APC comes first, Labour must come second. And we did it. I'm proud to say it. I'm proud to say it. Look at these Rivers people in Abuja. Shame. They now enter in the night and leave 5 a.m. But look at us. Happily commissioning projects. Happily flagging up projects. They were plotting how they will kill themselves. How they will send themselves to jail. How far now? How far? Now, I will still send all of them to jail very soon. So anywhere you are, be happy. Be proud of yourself, you're a Rivers man or woman. We stood firm and will continue to stand firm. It doesn't matter what anybody will say. I will never say Rivers State for anything. Never. So it's not to talk whatever you want to say. Come home and address your people. Tell them what you've done for them. If a National Assembly, assembly well. If a governor, govern well. I have governed well. And I'm going home happily. I'm finishing well. My shoulders are high. My people are happy. I did not disappoint you. I promise and I fulfill it. So no important man that will not be happy, except there's a question mark. Except you have a question mark. No equal man. Wherever you are today, even our leaders who died, wherever they are, if dead men can talk, they would have reason to come and talk. It's only Christ that died and rose. So you should not stay there.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.